Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. I'm very happy today to share with you another yummy dish called fried Sui Gao. Fried Sui Gao can be made way ahead. You can prepare, put in the freezer, and anytime you need to eat, bring it out, fry it, and that's it, ready to go. So it's very good idea. If you have some party or some guests over, you can prepare way ahead. Like there's one time I fry from 9 a.m. in the morning, and by the time I get home, 9 o'clock at night, still some left over. Just put in the air fry or in the oven for 5 minutes, and that's it. It's fresh at like new one. So it's very convenient. I'm sure you will love it. Although children, you're gonna love it. With the way I'm sharing, easy to make and also convenient. You know, you can prepare way ahead before, and especially serve with the tomato sauce, a little bit sweet, a little bit sour. So it's very nice combination. So trust me, come in today with Lee Dynasty Kitchen, how to make delicious fried Sui Gao. These are the yummy Sui Gao we just made. Look very nice, eh? Especially when you eat with the tomato sauce, it's very tasty. You're gonna love it. So, we're gonna go to the kitchen and we're gonna make it together. Shall we? And for the ingredients today, we're gonna need 550 grams of the minced raw pork, 700 grams of the ground pork, 700 grams of shrimp, and 80 grams of shallot. All these ingredients we're gonna mix together at the next step, so follow me, alright? We're gonna use 1/3 of the shrimps, grinded to make it smooth, and the rest of the shrimp we're gonna cut to the small square pieces like this. Okay, we're not gonna grind the whole shrimps because we want the textures, we want the Sui Gao will be crunchy at the end. Okay, so that's the reason why we cut into the small pieces. And then now we're gonna mix the part of the grand shrimps with ground porks and shallot. We're gonna mix together, and we're gonna do some marinade. First of all, we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Okay, half teaspoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Okay, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Okay, then we're gonna mix together by using a knife with the big surface, so you can chop it down and then you can mix together at the same time, just like this. Chop it and mix it together at the same time. Just doing what I'm doing like this, okay? By using the knife with the big surface, so it's easy for you to do it like this. We will add 1 tablespoon of the chicken powder, okay? And it's again, mix it more to make sure all nice and mixed together. Now it's time to add the minced raw pork here, okay? So at this time you don't have to use the knife anymore. You just use your hand and mix together. Alright, so it's all mixed well. Nothing better than hand, right? So just mix all together. And last, we're gonna put the remaining of the shrimp and mix in the bowl. You can leave it separate in the different bowl for the shrimp, but I mix together so we don't have to use so many plates or so many bowls around. Okay, so now it's time ready to wrap. Okay, so I'm using the plastic knife. Then just scoop a little bit of the meat, spread it out on top of the wrapper, and put one piece of shrimp in there, squeeze it, and just like that. Very simple. You don't have to worry about is it gonna stick together, the wrapper, or not. But because of the meat, when you spread it out flat like that, so the wrapper will stick together, so no worries. Okay, so spread the meat first, and then put the shrimp in the center, fold it, squeeze it. That's it. Very simple and very fast. Okay. So now it's time to fry the Sui Gao. First of all, you bring the oil to hot. Use the chopstick to test it, and you will see when it's bubble, and you know it's ready. So just put in the Sui Gao. It looks like you do the egg roll. You fry the egg roll. It's the same thing. You put it in, flip it over a few times, and then just take it out when it's getting golden brown. Okay, it looks like you do the egg roll frying. That's all. This is gonna be very fast because it's not much meat in there. When you have the frozen Sui Gao, bring it out from the freezer. And when you fried it, just put straight to the oil, okay? Don't have to wait until it thaws. The beauty is when you fry Sui Gao in the morning, and if you have some leftover, it's still good when you put back to the air fry or in the oven for a few minutes. So it's still crunchy and it's still good and fresh. So that way you can arrange, you can prepare ahead. Don't have to wait till the last minute. Okay, after it cooked, you will put in the strainer to get immersed out the excess of oil and ready to serve. Now it's time to make the tomato sauce. You can use 2 or 3, wash it, and you can put it in the bowl and put it in the microwave for 2 to 2.5 minutes. So when you take it out, you can peel the skin very easy. Right now it's still hot, so you can leave it cool down. See, the skin you can peel it off. And if it's not completely, easy to peel it up, you can put back to the microwave for another 1 minute or so. So it will be very easy and very fast. Look at this, just like that. You don't have to, cut it up, but you just have to peel it up after microwave it. So after that, you're gonna use a small grinder and grind it. Few round, and then that's it. It's all done. Okay, so now we're gonna mix the tomato sauce. Okay, so put a little bit of oil and garlic. Fry it until it's golden brown a little bit. Just like that. Then you pour the tomato sauce in. At this time, we're gonna add some flavor. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, you can add some another oil for more color if you wish. If not, it's okay. And as a final result, you can taste to make sure it's as your design, okay? And the last final touch, we're gonna add some cornstarch to make the sauce thicker. Don't put it too much, okay? And that's it. The sauce is all done. It's ready. It's gonna look like this, see? Just like that. This is the wonton wrapper I've been used, and it's very good. You can check at your local store, okay? Don't get it too big or too small. Okay, now it's time to try, okay? Here's how we're gonna eat it. You can wrap with any veggie you like. I wrap with lettuce, and you can add any kind of mint you like. You will dip in the sauce. So good and so crunchy. We'll have another bite. It's very good. You also can eat just like this. We can eat just like this, no veggie. It's so good. These are the yummy Sui Gao we just made it. It's so yummy, isn't it? Look delicious and taste so good. I hope you like my share today. And if you do, please give me the thumbs up, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe and share so everybody can enjoy this yummy dish we just shared with you today. Thank you very much for all your support, and continue support by like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.